不卡吧，我係阿詩。呢個 Covid 咧好慘啊，冇媽媽檔喺香港，好想食媽媽炒麵。所以今日咧，我哋就煮媽媽咪 goreng。recipe 咧就跟住 Bein 嘅 Rasa Malaysia 嘅媽媽咪 goreng 啦。首先咧就整個辣椒 paste 啦。咁啊 Bein 咧就用 blender， 我好懶攞個嗰嚿嘢出嚟啊。咁啊，我就用咗呢個自己嚟拋咯，其實都 OK 嘅。咁頭先加咗啲水，而家就加埋油。咁你拋咗你啲辣椒乾斬過㗎吓，就全部就咁樣 mix 下。咁因為我冇用 machine， 所以都冇話好 smooth。我覺得 OK 嘅啦，你攞嚟炒唔使好 smooth 都 OK 嘅。咁呢，而家就整嗰個 sauce 啦。咁呢個係豉油，黑豉油 ，of course Malaysian dish right？Tomato ketchup， 咁咧呢個 tomato ketchup 咧，你要揾嗰啲酸啲，我覺得會好食啲。我用呢個牌子，我就覺得係下次咧要換下台牌子啦。咁呢個 dried noodle 咧，我就浸咗水，咁佢 soft 咗咧，你就攞出嚟 drain 噶啦。咁呢個咧就我自己 adapt 嘅，因為阿 Bein 咧係用嗰啲 yellow noodle， 咁我屋企人就比較中意食呢啲 dried noodle。你可以用你嗰啲 normal Indomie、Maggi mee 嗰啲 noodle 都得㗎。咁而家咧要炸你嘅豆腐啦，你揀嗰啲firmer tofu。咁啊，你嘅鑊熱咗咧，你就 add 你嘅 oil。咁 once the oil is heated up， 你先落你嘅豆腐。咁你切個 thumb size 啦，你 make sure 豆腐咧就煎到佢唔黐底。咁你睇啦，佢仲有少少黐底，你唔好夾硬嚟啊！你就俾佢煎耐啲。Tilt your wok around, yeah, so that you can cook it better. So you will see that once your tofu is cooked well, it won't stick to your wok. It's like magic. You don't need non-stick wok. 睇到嘛？They don't stick anymore. And don't force it. So 有啲太仲黐緊嘅咧，你就俾佢煮耐啲，咁佢就 OK 噶啦。So you try to flip them around to make sure the other side is also brown. I love stainless steel wok. I don't use Teflon coated whatever. So stainless steel wok, it's really multi-purpose. I can use it for everything. And they don't stick. 咁啊，你個油頭先炸咗啲豆腐嘅油咧，你就攞出嚟啦。你而家唔使咁多，而家要煮下你嘅 chili paste 啦。咁呢個 chili paste 頭先加咗油噶嘛，記得嘛？咁啊，你就所以唔使油，你炒佢咧，炒到佢出油，所以 see the yellow oil that's coming out. So that means it's okay. And you just take out your chili paste. And you clean your wok, heat it up, add oil again. Your little garlic. add the chili paste just now. Get ready to 打乞嗤噶啦。And then put your tofu that you've already fried just now. 加埋你嘅 squid。咁你睇你個 squid 好快熟噶嘛 ？See the squid looks cooked. You put in your noodle and you put your sauce immediately. Give it all a good mix. Lâu匀佢，咁啊撥開佢 ，try to create a hole in the middle， 加啲油，落你雞蛋。你打咗雞蛋呢 ，you cover it up. This will kind of like steam and cook your eggs better. 咁啊，芽菜啦。咁啊，芽菜呢，而家先加，因為呢，我哋唔想芽菜 overcook 啊嘛，你想芽菜脆啲。咁你又咁樣而家撈下佢就差唔多，你要好快手撈下佢就差唔多噶啦。嗱，呢個你要大火噶吓，你要大火要快手。咁你就炒到你覺得你啲芽菜呢，少少，你睇佢少少腍得噶啦。如果唔係咧，你芽菜 overcook 咧就唔好食噶啦，得噶啦，搞掂。Mama mee goreng， 你擺啲 lettuce， 擺啲lime， 哇，真係好好食啊！好 ，thank you very much Bein from Rasa Malaysia， 我真係好中意呢個 recipe。Now I need my teh tarik please。